Good morning everybody. Today is Saturday morning. I'm gonna show you how to cooking with seafood sauce, magic cooking seafood sauce. Welcome to Crazy with Cooking with Chef Sisu. This is gonna be magic cooking. I'm gonna show you how to use my sauce. Cooking so easy. You don't need nothing else. That's all you need. This is this bottle right here. Okay, first ingredient. Alright, gonna be potato. This is potato noodles. I'm gonna cook this noodle right here. Alright, I'm gonna show you how. So easy guys, with this sauce, one magic touch. And this is gonna be my ingredient, the vegetable. I love vegetable. This is for my friend party, so we're gonna get together. That's how I love that much vegetable. And of course garlic. Garlic is feel the food tastes so good. Okay, and I'm gonna be pork. So I'm using pork today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get started, okay? Don't waste no time. I don't want to waste my time. Let's get started. Alright. Let's go boil the noodle first. Okay, this is the water. I boiled it. Okay, let's go get started. Alright, and this is the noodle. I'm gonna boil this noodle about 7 to 8 minutes. This is the potato noodle. Potato, you guys know any potato noodle right here? Get started about 7 to 8 minutes cooking, okay? Alright, that is cooking. Let it boiling first, okay? Okay, that's the time 11:21, so I'm gonna go ahead 11:28. So let them boiling right now, okay? I'll be back. I just wanna show you some more. This is sweet potato noodle, okay guys? This is if you know any sweet potato noodle, if you go to Asian market, you will find this one. This is what I'm gonna cook this dish right here for my friend party. We're gonna have a good time, and I'm gonna show you how to cook. This is almost there, okay? 2 more minutes. Alright. 2 more minutes, my noodle will be done, guys. Okay, very easy. Noodle too long, all you need to do, just cut, make it half, okay? Cut the noodle too long. Just cut, make half. Cut the noodle. I'll just show you how to cut the noodle. Just cut the noodle. Don't get too long. Easy to eat, easy to cook. It's served, just cut them. So that's all. It's very easy. Okay, the noodle is done. 8 minutes already. See that the time? Okay, 11:28. So just about time to take off. I'm gonna take off, turn it off stove, and let's go clean it. Okay, let's go clean the noodle. There we go. Oh, that's heavy. It's hot, very heavy, guys. Alright, here we go. Let's clean the noodle. Yep. Now, I'm gonna rinse out with cold water. So just clean the noodle very well. Alright. Very well and start. Just like that, clean it out. Ready. I'm done. Done with cleaning. Okay, if you do too long, all you have to do is just cut. Make a cut. Make easy to serve. Too long. If you lay long, you can eat long. Asian people, they believe eat long noodle, they got long life. That's funny. Okay, first I'm gonna show you how to cook pork first. Okay, just put a little bit of oil. I don't like a lot of oil. Okay, and start with the garlic. Don't forget the garlic when you cook, guys. Okay, you have to get hit. Okay, garlic start hot now. See, so now, okay, let's cook this first, and I'm gonna show you how to cook the pork with my sauce. Okay, garlic still going brown right now. Go ahead and use the pork meat right here. Just work the pork first. Very simple and easy. Okay, start cooking for a minute. Alright. This is what we talk about here. Sister Blau hat magic cooking sauce, guys. This is what you need, only one right here. So you have to cook with chicken sauce. Just put a little bit, don't put too much because it's going to be too saucy, okay? That's what you need for now. And sesame oil right here. just scrape off a little bit. If you put too much, you taste the change whole wide world will be different total. Just put a little bit for flavor. That's all you need. Just let it go free. Very good. Good noodle salad. Good noodle stir fry. Just add on my cooking salt a little bit. That's it. Cook. Let's okay, the pot already been cooked, so go ahead and put it in here. Put it in here. Alright, that's the first step, okay? The second step gonna be noodle. Okay, second step gonna be noodle, cook noodle. Just then garlic again. Okay? Alright, just this is sesame oil again. Just strip off a little bit again. That's it. Okay. Now the noodle going down. Okay. Noodle. Look how the noodle for a minute. Just to make a flavor. Very easy. Okay, seasoning salt again, cooking magic cooking salt. Put in there a little bit, just a little bit, and let them cook for a minute. Stir fry for a minute. Alright, let me add some more. That's it. Start cooking. Let them cook. Caramelize everything together. See, come nice brown color right now because of my cooking salt. Make a favorite taste. Okay, let's get noodle in together. So it's already cooked. Put it together just like that. See that? Alright, third step. Third step. Another oil again. And garlic. Always let them cook. Oh yeah, sesame oil again. Just a little bit. Don't put too much. Okay, I'm gonna put here the celery. Stir fry celery, guys. Stir fry celery, okay? Vegetable time. Alright, let them cook for just a couple minutes. Very simple to this noodle, guys. Very good. I love a lot of vegetable. That's the reason why I put celery, so much of this because I love eating vegetables. My heaven. Alright, just go ahead, put this salt again. My cooking sauce, always going down. That's it. That's all you need. That's not much. That's only 30% cooking. I want my vegetable crunchy, not overcooked. Okay, this is certainly been cooked. Oh, sorry, for 30% cooking. Okay. All right. Okay. Put them together again. Just like that. Happy part. Everything going down. Okay. Alright, let's put another vegetable. A little bit oil again. And garlic. Sesame oil. Just a little bit for flavor. Okay, now carrot time. Okay, carrot going down. Just like that. Okay. And my magic cooking sauce. Put it down again a little bit. That's all you need. I don't need a lot, okay? Alright. Okay. Carrot cooking, 30% cooking down now. Ready to take it off, okay? Okay, carrot going down. See that? So easy, guys. Very easy. One more last call. Okay, last call. A little bit oil again. Garlic always. That's what I love. So I live for garlic and food. That's what I love to cook, guys. That's what I live for. My life. Cooking all the way. Just cook and cook. Okay, now gonna be red onion. I love red onion. Just cook down for a minute and magic cooking salt going down again. Little bit, that's all you need. keep cooking. This is just a little bit not overcooked, just to make it quick, that's all. Okay, the onion done. Alright, let's put them together again. Okay, this is the last call, guys. So easy. Look at that. Healthy, yummy food I made today. Okay, let's start put them together. Okay, let's start put them together. This is what I live for, guys. Cooking is very easy. If you follow my video, food tastes very good and have fun. Enjoy with family and friends. So easy. Cooking is not that hard, but especially use my salt. Okay. Look at this, easy and simple. The noodle, vegetable, meat, a little bit here and there. Look at that, easy, guys. Okay, let's put in a plate. Eat for fun. Alright, let's go put in a plate. Enjoy the food. You know, this is don't cost no money right here. Very cheap, guys. Only like, oh my god, maybe less than $10. Not expensive at all. Here you have it, guys. Oh my god. This is a very crazy good food. And you can go ahead try it because it's very easy. Like the way I show you. This is a potato noodle. Sweet potato noodle, unbelievable because this is so easy and so good and healthy and cook in no time. With my cooking salt right here, don't forget about it. I'm gonna put it on the website and sell it. And you guys see my website right here. If you follow me, I always put my website in there. If you want to make it easy, you can do it. If you don't have my cooking, you always use pea sauce, soy sauce. And don't forget to put seasoning oil right here. It's made I love it. So you guys go ahead, try, check it out, and then see how you like it and try to cook. Very good, okay? Alright guys.